This is Duke University.
My name is Ebrahim Moosa. I teach in the Department of Religion at Duke University, and my area of specialty is Islamic law, Muslim ethics, and I come to human rights through a history of activism. I was born and raised in South Africa, where I was part of the anti-apartheid movement and also part of a religious minority as a Muslim, and as a scholar of religion, and also have a background as a Muslim theologian. That resulted in, when I returned from studying abroad from India back to my native country, South Africa, in the 1980s, myself and a number of other colleagues began to develop a Muslim theology of liberation, of how we understand the South African context, how to combat racism. And human rights discourse became the most essential element of our work. And that activism also resulted in some of the ways in which I rethought questions of gender, sexuality, citizenship in the South African context. And on all that, debates about human rights and how human rights features in Islamic theology became a critical component, including questions of freedom of speech. And then in some of my work on bioethics, and also my work on Muslim family law, the application of Muslim family law in South Africa and in sub-Saharan Africa, invariably the question of human rights and women's rights in particular comes into play. And there also I relied a great deal on human rights discourses.
Produced by Duke University, online at duke.edu.